Hello there. Well, we've got a bit of a windy, odd sort of a day outside at the moment. Doesn't know whether it wants to rain or shine. So for me, that's a good time to be in my art room. Today I'm trying something just a little bit different. I am going to do a puddle pour blow dryer technique today, but instead of using my ritual white or black base, I've decided to use a colour mix which I absolutely love. It's called Deep Ocean Blue. It was made by Franchville, which I'm unable to get anymore, so I mix up my own. And basically I use a mix of the artist's acrylic in this one, sorry, is phthalo green, and this one is dark blue. So putting 50-50 of that together and then 50% of my glue and water pouring medium, I come up with that colour, that base, and I'm hoping it's going to look good when I've finished. And another new colour that I'm trying today is one that I managed to pick up on special. It's usually very expensive here in New Zealand, and that is the DecoArt Metallics paint, and this one in white pearl. So I'm going to give it a try also today on this painting, along with ultramarine blue, my mix of metallics, which is 50% gold, 25% silver and 10% copper, and my pearl blue. It's actually called Pearl Sapphire by Montmartre, and those colours I'm going to put down as a puddle pour, and then I'm going to blow them out with my hairdryer to see what sort of patterns I can make. So I'll get started now. Wow, I am so happy with those colours. It's just beautiful, with the gold and the white and some lacing going on. Not much in the way of cells, of course, but oh my goodness, I'm just loving it. I'm going to try other colours as my bases for doing these puddle pour blow dryer paintings, but I'm so happy with this. It's like what I would call moonflowers. There's not as much white as what I had intended, but when I tried to add some white into here, I found it was just too bright, too obvious. I needed to blend it more, and I ended up blending it right back in to the painting. So I'm just seeing what other lacing will come up now by using my blowtorch. And I'm not, as I said, I'm not expecting any cells. There was no silicone added to this. So now I'm going to bring the painting up closer to the light to show you how pretty it is. It's just beautiful. Okay. Bring this up slowly to show you. As you know, I have got very interested in doing chain pulling. And one of the main reasons for that isn't because I just love the technique. It's because it doesn't waste paint. And neither really does this type of blow dryer pour. You waste minimal paint, you get some gorgeous patterns. I mean, look at that. I'm trying to angle it around enough without making it move to show you how gorgeous those colours are in the light. They're just beautiful. And that has come out even better than what I expected. So I'm extremely happy with that now, especially since it is a while since I've done a blow dryer pour. And rather than scrape the paint off that for further use, of course I will be letting that dry because it is just so pretty. I could go on and on and on about how beautiful I think it is until you got sick to death of hearing it. So that's it for me for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.